What's going on? Want to do a little quick video on my new shoes that I got for work. Some New Balance. Fearlessly Independent since 1906 New Balance. I got some new joints, some New Balance. All black. Man, these things are super duper light. Bottom got some nice grip. Super light from the front. Push the box back a little bit. So got the New Balance 009s, all black. Man, these babies are light. Got that little tab in the back. It's pretty dope for work. Confidence or New Balance. Pretty dope for work, man. I got them offline. They had a sale on them for $40. Hey, I couldn't turn them down for $40 just to wear at work, man. Some good little shoes, lightweight. You know, I do a lot of walking. I'm on my feet a lot. So I need something comfortable. But I can pretty much wear with anything, with black goes with anything. But it's a little quick review on them. Real soft on the inside. Yeah, I think I can make them work. New Balance. Yeah, pretty cool. Here we go on my feet. Hope you can see them. Size 12. I might rock these tonight, man. I'm going to the Hornets and Bulls game. And I'm going to Charlotte Auto Show tonight. So I got a busy little night, so I might break these in tonight. Yeah, these tight. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.